Competitive exam based. Indian history. General knowledge. Question and answer. Wall 2. For state, UPSC and all examination. 100 multiple choice question. 1. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. Answer D. 4321. 2. The gold coins of Muhammad Ghori usually bear. Answer A. Goddess Lakshmi on the obverse and is named in Nagari characters on the reverse. 3. In ancient and early medieval India, the uncultivated and untaxed land was called. Answer C. Khila Kshetra. 4. Which one of the following sets of powers constituted the anti-British front in 1780? Answer C. 5. Consider the following events. Answer B. 2, 3, 1. 6. Which of the following were terms used in early India for denoting measurement of land? Answer C. L, 3 and 4. 7. Which of the following pairs of dynasties and cognomens used by them are correctly matched? Answer C. L and 3. 8. Which one of the following sets of powers constituted the anti-British front in 1780? Answer C. The Marathas, Mysore, Barar and Nizam. 9. Consider the following events. Answer B. 2, 3, 1. 10. Who among the 4-1 OWG rulers of the 18th century introduced new systems of calendar, coinage and weights and measures, organized disciplined standing army, removed illegal ceases, built up modern arsenal and promoted sericulture and trade? Answer D. Tipu Sultan. 11. Which one of the following were included in the Antyaja category of people mentioned in the? Answer D. Chandals. 12. The Cholas, the Pandyas, the Kilaputras and the Satyaputras are mentioned as his neighboring powers by Ashoka in. Answer A. Rock Edict 2. 13. The Chola administrative system, the Sabha was. Answer B. An assembly of adult men in Agraharas. 14. The first English factors India was established at. Answer C. Surat. 15. William Bentinck's far-reaching social reforms were meant to remove evils of society. Which of the following was not included in page 16 in these reforms? Answer D. Widow remarriage. 16. Dela in the early medieval period was the territory of the. Answer C. Kanachuris. 17. Who among the following were the pioneers in opening oceanic trade with India? Answer C. Portuguese. 18. Consider the following statement about Tipu Sultan. Answer C. 3 and 4 are correct. 19. the Sabha during the Chola period comprised of? Answer. B. Village elders. 20. Roshan Attar ascended the throne with the title. Answer. C. Muhammad Shah. 21. Among the officers of Muhammad of Ghor, Bihar and part of Bengal were conquered by. Answer. C. Muhammad Bakhtiar Khilji. 22. What was the main cause of conflict between Mir Qasim and the East India Company? Answer. B. Abuse of dastaks by the English. 23. Kalidas in his work shows a leaning towards worship of. Answer. C. Durga. 24. The founding charter of the English East India Company was granted by. Answer. B. Elizabeth I. 25. Marathi chronicles were known as. Answer. B. Bakhar. 26. Which of the following is correct? Answer. B. Expedition to South, Rajendra Chola East Asia. 27. The founder of the autonomous kingdom of Awadh was. Answer. C. Sadat Khan Burhanul Mulk. 28. Who among the following rulers of the Travancore kingdom extended his dominion, organized a standing army and a rational administration and encouraged foreign trade in the middle of 18th century? Answer. C. Marthanda Varma. 29. Ashtalik Gajangals were present in the courts of. Answer. C. Krishna Dev Raya. 30. The Maratha who helped the Syed brothers in overthrowing Farooq Siyar in 1719 was. Answer. C. Balaji Vishwanath. 31. Devan Velu Thampi of Travancore organized the revolt in. Answer. C. 1809. 32. Which among the following ruling dynasties successfully obstructed the efforts of the Pratihas in establishing a strong empire in North India? Answer. C. The Rashtrakutas. 33. The cavalry of Shivaji was known as. Answer. D. Paga. 34. Consider the following events. Answer. C. 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. 35. The Kalyana Mandapa was notable feature of temple architecture in the kingdom of. Answer. B. Cholas. 36. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. Answer. B. 2143. 37. Ghasiti Begum, Shaukat Jang, Rajballabh and Yar Latif Khan were sore enemies of. Answer. C. Sirajud-Daulah. 38. The head of a guild in ancient and early medieval India was called. Answer. C. Jetka. 39. The British East India Company became Zmindar in Bengal after renting the village of. Answer. A. Govindpur, Sutnati and Kolkata. 40. Balwant Singh was the first Raja of. Answer. D. Banaras. 41. The Chola ruler who wrested Tondamandalam from the Rashtrakutas was. Answer. A. Parantaka I. 42. Gopis, cowherd girls, became an important part of the Krishna legend in art and literature in. Answer D. The early medieval period. 43. The Rajrajeshwar temple was constructed by. Answer C. Rajaraja Chola. 44. There was an administrative unit under the Cholas named Kurram. What did it signify? Answer D. A group of villages. 45. University of Vikramshila enjoyed the patronage of. Answer A. Palas. 46. The finest specimen of Pahlavas architecture are. Answer D. Rocket Nath temples at Mahabalipuram. 47. A new addition to social customs during Rajput age was. Answer D. Johar. 48. Ashwamedha Yajna from among Chalukya rulers was performed by. Answer A. Pulke Sinai. 49. The Palas of Bengal patronized. Answer D. Tantrika Buddhism. 50. Under whose patronage was the Kailash temple of Ellora constructed? Answer B. The Rashtrakutas. 51. Intercaste marriages during the Rajput age was possible among. Answer A. Brahmanas and Kshatriyas. 52. Who among the Pala rulers established the University of Vikramshila? Answer D. Mahipala I. 53. Hazrat Muhammad was born at Mecca in Arabia in. Answer B. 570 AD. 54. Hijrat, the Muslim era began in. Answer A. 622 AD. 55. Which one was the port of Cheras? Answer B. Mujisib. 56. In the age of Cholas, Urayur was famous for. Answer D. Spices. 57. Match the following. Answer B. 2143. 58. The East India Company began to use the term investments in India for. Answer C. The profits made from duty-free inland trade and the surplus from Diwani revenue. 59. An important character of the Chola Empire was. Answer B. Local self-government. 60. The Ellora caves were built by. Answer C. Rashtrakutas. 61. The first English captain to disembark at Surat and who also visited the court of Emperor Jahangir at Agra was. Answer A. Thomas Stephens. 62. The remittance problems from India was initially tackled by the East India Company government through the. Answer A. Development of more exports of grains from India. 63. Under Chola's village administration, the land revenue was collected by. Answer D. Special Dal. 64. The chief ideas of worship during the Rajput age were. Answer B. Vishnu and Shiva. 65. The chief feature of the temples constructed by the Cholas was there. Answer B. Vimanas or towers. 66. What is the correct chronological order of the following British officials in India? Answer A. 2, 1, 4, 3. 67. The first battle of the American War of Independence took place in the year. Answer A. 1776, 4th July. 68. The main effect of the American War of Independence was. Answer A. Establishment of a republic. 69. The French society was divided into. Answer C. 3 groups. 70. The French Queen, Marie Antoinette, was termed as. Answer A. Empty-headed. 71. The French King Louis XVI ruled according to. Answer B. Divine right theory. 72. 18th century has been correctly called the. Answer B. Age of Reason. 73. The French royal prison, the Bastille, was attacked in. Answer C. 14th July 1789. 74. Austria, Russia and Prussia formed an alliance called. Answer C. Holy Alliance. 75. Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette were executed along with their children in. Answer A. L793. 76. The most important effect of the French Revolution was the birth of the. Answer A. Republic in France. 77. Napoleon introduced a new set of laws called. Answer A. Napoleonic Code. 78. Bismarck was called the man who gave Germany the policy of. Answer A. Blood and iron. 79. Sardinia was the strongest state of. Answer C. Italy. 80. Italy was unified with the occupation of the city of Rome in. Answer C. 1870. 81. Karl Marx was the first man to introduce. Answer A. Scientific socialism. 82. The church was very corrupt and supported. Answer A. The monarchy. 83. The great French socialist Babeuf was executed in the year. Answer A. 1797. 84. The Communist Manifesto appeared in the year. Answer B. 1848. 85. Prussia was the strongest state of Germany before the unification was dominated by the Answer B. Landlords, Junkers. 86. An address to the working class was drafted by Answer C. Karl Marx. 87. The Paris Commune fought for Answer A. Workers' rights. 88. The Paris Commune took place in the year Answer A. 28 March 1871. 89. The Second International was the 100-year celebration of the Answer B. French Revolution. 90. The Second International declared 1st May as Answer A. Workers' Day. 91. The Second International fought against Answer A. Wars. 92. In the year 1914, the membership of the German Socialist Party was Answer C. 1 million. 93. The Second International came to an end in Answer C. 1914. 94. Simon Bolivar was a great leader of the Answer C. Latin American Revolution. 95. The French Revolution gave a new meaning to Answer A. Republic. 96. Brihadaranyaka is Answer B. An Upanishad. 96. The philosophy of the Gita is Answer D. That of combining of bhakti, jnana, gyan and karma. 97. Who wrote Vasvadatta? Answer A. Bhas. 98. The author of Natya Shastra was Answer D. Aswag Bosa. 99. Archaeological evidence from Nagal, Katpalo, Dradheri and Bhagwanpura indicate that the late Harappans and the painted grey were using people. Answer C. Came into contact, but lived in different settlements in the same area. 100. Which one of the following is the largest burnt brick structure built in the entire range of the Harappa culture? Answer B. Granary.